Sketch supports many types of object which can be attached to tracks. The same method is used for sleeper, rail and track mounted equipment. AWS and TPWS, bailises, equipment rooms, ground frames, plungers, buttons, signal boxes, track sections, signals and boards, overlaps, overruns and several other object types may be added in this way. Trackside objects are designed and configured by your company, who decide what will appear in the palette and how it will be drawn. Here we see an example selection of objects from an early draft of one customer's objects list. Note when dragging these objects that the active area is centered around where it attaches to the track, so click near here for the context menu and when selecting or moving objects. Objects may be group selected, which allows only deletion but not copying or moving because they are attached to tracks. This may be useful to see the attachment point illustrated by the square. The type of object affects what fields are available in the Properties window, and these are largely taken from the SDEF data format. The position of an object is initially estimated, which means that it was dragged into position. Typing a value into the chainage window will upgrade this definition to a user-defined value, which will move it to the correct position and prevent the object from being dragged. Note that anything which messes up the chainage system, for example shortening tracks or moving the reference points, will revert all of these measurements back to estimated. As with most other features in Sketch, these trackside objects can be set to exist or not, or be new and recovered in each time frame. Note that objects can't move between time frames. The position and properties of an object are common to all time frames. Certain types of section and area equipment are modelled in Sketch as trackside objects. Specifically, equipment rooms and signal boxes operate in this way. Because these items are not directly adjacent to a track, they have an additional context menu which allows the symbol and the track attachment to be moved separately. This option is called Detach Symbol from Track. Further context menus allow selecting whether the symbol should be upright, parallel with the track, or facing towards its track attachment.